Hello guys, today we are doing a question. Check number is given number is prime or not. So question is check given number is prime or not. Okay, so we have to give a number like 7 or 9 or 11. So like that. So we have done like that. We have to take input and it's equal to integer input. Okay. Now we have to first to understand the what are the prime numbers. Prime number is at that number which are divisible itself, and if that number is divisible to one less than of that number, so that number is not a prime number. So we have to use this logic and implement this. So we have to simply use the for loop for I in range 2 to 1 less than, that mean n, because we are starting from 2. So 2 is less prime number. Okay, now here we have to check if n modulus I is equal to 0. If n is that number which we are given in the question. If n is divisible 2 to 1 less than of that number. If it's divisible, that means that number is not a prime number. So we have to take the flag because we are check the again and again here. So we have to take here flag is equal to false, and if it is flag is true, flag true, else, and if it is true, that means break this, and else flag false. Now we have to check it again and again, and now we have to finally check if flag is equal to true, that means that number is not a prime number. So print given number is not a prime number, else print given number is a prime number. Okay, now we have to give the input like we have given here like 11 is the prime number, so we have to check it. This is the what the output is comes here. Yeah, so given number is prime number. Okay, now we have to check here 9 because 9 is divisible by 3, so that's not a prime number, so we have to check it. Yeah, so given number is not a prime number. So this is the iteration of the normal code of your prime number, and you can also do it your recursion. Simply you have to take the base condition n less than equal to 2. If it is n less than equal to 2, that means true, and then you have to check it after 2 to n and return that number by records value. Okay, so thank you.